Hi, there's an excellent LoRA for LTX 2.3 that can remove obstructions from your videos. So you can take that animal and get it out of its cage. You can take a video that has words on it and remove those words. It also cleanly removed the sticker I added to this video. It's easy to use. I'll walk you step by step on how to run it on Wan2GP. Wan2GP is open source software for running generative AI models. You can run it locally if you have your own GPUs. I'm on an A40 in RunPod. If you don't know how to get going, I'll link to a separate video for that. On the A40, I sometimes hit RAM problems, not VRAM, but RAM problems. So I'm just going to go into configurations, performance, and select Profile 3 Plus. That is for when you have low RAM and high VRAM. Then I'm just going to hit Save Settings, and then we are ready to go. Back over in the Video Generator tab, select LTX-2, 2.3 billion, then Distilled 1.1. Then under Control Video, you are going to want to select the LTX-2 RAW format. Then drag in your video that has the obstruction. Here we have a woman behind a curtain of beads. Then we want to select Generate Video based on Control Video, its audio and text prompt. And then we have to use a special trigger prompt, remove the whatever, here, the beads in the foreground. So depending on what you're removing, remove the X in the foreground. I want to make this a 1080p, 16:9, and then I'm going to leave it at 10 seconds. Now I'm going to go get the LoRA from Hugging Face. So this is the Obscura Remova LoRA. It's what is making the magic happen here. There are a bunch of examples in the Hugging Face repo, and we can see that the creator of the LoRA recommends starting with a strength of 1.3 or 1.25 and then increasing from there. So we're going to just grab the file itself under Files and click on the actual LoRA link and then click on the Copy Download link. Then we're going to go back to our Wan2GP, and then all the way at the bottom, you can just paste in that link, click Download LoRA, and it will download it and put it in the correct place for you. Once it's downloaded, you want to click on the Advanced Mode checkbox, and then you will see some extra options. You want to select one phase for this. Then under the LoRa's tab, you want to select the LoRa you just downloaded and set the strength. I found that 1.5, 1.25 worked pretty well. So for this, I'm going to use 1.5, and I'll show you some results with different strengths. That's all the settings we have to do. Then we can hit Generate. The results for this was not the fastest. It took 32 minutes to generate the 10 seconds of video, and here is the result. I think it's pretty impressive. The only thing I noticed is that the lighting in the output is a bit different than the input. It's darker and doesn't look as natural. So I tried a similar generation at 1.25 strength, and it does look a little closer to the input. If you're curious as to how I removed the text from that cake video, the settings are almost identical, except my prompt was remove the text from the foreground, and I used a LoRa strength of 1.5. Otherwise, everything else was the same, and I think it came out quite well. I can't tell any difference other than the removal of words. Not to rain on the LoRa's parade, but sometimes it just wouldn't work with the video. For instance, with this rain video, I couldn't get it to remove the rain even if I increased the LoRa strength to 3. And for this tiger, it got a little overzealous and removed its ear for a moment there. But it worked spectacularly well on other videos and definitely worth having in your toolkit. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching.